Hey everyone, this is Greg with Medical Muscle, and I want to share with you how I make Anki cards from lecture material. So, I have my lecture slide on the side, got this going. This is the best way to do this, okay? If you have a bunch of similar content, so like right now I'm going through all these different types of skin staph infections. If you have similar content, it's the same kind of infection, and they're going to probably cluster these things together, then this is the best way to make multiple choice. So what I first like to do is I go down and I look at all the different diseases. So excuse me, this is a little grotesque, a bunch of skin issues. But I'm looking at, okay, first one is non-bullous impetigo. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, then I keep scrolling down. I look through these slides. Scalded skin syndrome going down. Toxic shock. Okay, so I just keep going down. Bullous impetigo. And that's it. So those are the 4 skin issues that are dealt with staph. Okay, so first off, before anything, go through the slide, look at all the different diseases that they're probably going to all put in a multiple choice for an exam. All right, so I make one of these type of things. Which type of staph aureus infection is this describing? You know, this is super general. It says non-bullous impetigo. It's got all the names of each of these things, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot, right? Put a picture in here, and I say like child comes in with golden yellow crust. Really what I'm testing is my ability to see the difference between these photos, maybe a little descriptor, and bam, boom, A, okay, non-bullous impetigo. And I'm just going to go through this list and I'm going to add photos and maybe a little description, right? Super easy. That's how I make questions for this thing. Then down to scalded skin, boom, take a photo of it. Super easy. And look, I have the description right there. So now with this one, all I need to do is add different descriptions of this syndrome, and I've already added that here. Fragile blisters, right? Fragile blisters due to toxic release disseminates body-wide. Toxic release. This is what makes this stand apart from some of these other features, okay? This one would be B. Boom. Easy. And I do the close because I feel like that's faster for this kind of card, okay? All right? Pretty simple. You can do it other ways, but that's how I go through these. So one more thing that I think is pretty cool is I'll save all the IMCQ or certain questions that I liked that I thought were hard or interesting, and I'll put them into a special folder. And obviously I have the answer, so there we go. But since I've already done this question, this is going to be an easy answer. It's more like I just know that that's the correct answer. What I like to do is I'll screenshot the answer choices, put them right into Anki, and then that way I can go through and create my own little stem for each answer choice. Because they're going to want us to know all these, and I need to be able to differentiate all these, okay? So even though the answer was C, I'm going to change the stem so that A is right. And then I'm going to do one on why B is right or why D is right or whatever. Okay. So this is another way to utilize the question bank that they give you, and you can make more questions for yourself. Okay. Because you really got to know all these answers. You got to know why they're wrong or why they're right. I think that's just a helpful way of making Anki cards. All right, guys, well, I hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys kick butt on your next exam.